Hi guys, I'm Kryalie, and today we will be taking a closer look at the Ducky One 711 mechanical keyboard. So what you get in the box is the keyboard, the cable, a spare spacebar, some orange coloured keys which you can swap out, and a keycap remover. So the keyboard comes with 7 different coloured lighting zones which have a variety of lighting effects. 100% full backlit, there's a breathing effect, a raindrop effect, a touch reactive effect, a ripple effect, and you can also turn all the lights off. And because nobody is really impressed by RGB lights on a keyboard anymore, Ducky decided to throw in 11 different switches into one keyboard to catch people's attention. The 711 keyboard is similar to another one of their limited edition keyboards, which was released in 2013, the Shine 278. That one had 8 switches. This is your tactile grey switch. These are your clear switches. Over here you have your black. These are your white switches. Silent black, green. On your numpad you have your blue switches. Over here you have silent red. Your arrow keys are brown switches. And in the main area of the keyboard, your alphabets and your numbers are speed silver. And the rest of the keys on the side, which include things like your spacebar, your shift keys, and your enter and backspace keys, are your red switches. Different colored switches are used on different parts of the keyboard to give the user a smoother experience. So for example, a silver switch is used on the main part of the keyboard because this silver switch supposedly gives you a faster reaction time. Different colored switches are used on different parts of the keyboard to give the user a smoother experience. So for example, you guys might be wondering what the silver switch is on the main part of the keyboard. The silver switch is a relatively new switch from Cherry MX, and it's very similar to the red switch, requiring the same amount of force to register a key press. The biggest difference between the silver and the red switches is the distance the key needs to travel before triggering a press. So on the red switch, the total distance traveled is 4 millimeters, whereas on a silver switch, the total distance traveled is only 3.4 millimeters. So this gives it a much faster key press, hence the name Speed Silver. The silver switch is supposedly aimed at gaming, according to Cherry's description of it giving an extremely short reaction time. It's also very close to Razer's yellow switch. So the keyboard itself feels quite solid, and you can either lay it flat on the table or prop it up to 2 different heights using the 2 different feet attached to the keyboard. It's made of a double layer PCB to improve the lighting and color, and the keycaps are double shot PBT, although some of the other keyboards from the One series are made from ABS. Generally, PBT has a better feel than ABS and lasts a lot longer because they don't go yellow or wear out as quickly. The keyboard also has USB N key rollover, so you don't have to worry about ghosting during your hardcore gaming button mashing sessions. The 711 is not exactly considered a cheap-end keyboard, and what you're mainly paying for is having 11 different switches in one keyboard. Some people have also claimed that the keys break rather easily. Breaking meaning after a hardcore gaming session where you kind of mash the buttons a little bit, some of the buttons don't work as well as they used to anymore, so you might want to consider that before shelling out your money on one. But this is a good keyboard to buy if you like having different feels for different keys. So what do you think about having a keyboard with 11 different switches? We would love to hear some thoughts from you guys, so feel free to leave a comment below, like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!